In today's video, I'll show you on how you can connect CQG to share a chart. First things first, you want to head over to your share a chart application, and inside you want to click on global settings. From here, you simply want to navigate through the data-trade service settings, and inside this page, we then have the ability to select one of our services. In our case, it's going to be the CQG Web API. So you can just click on this option right here. In future data, you might be able to select more CQG options, but as of the moment, the CQG Web API is the only thing available here on Share a Chart. From there, you then want to enter your username and password. It will then show up after clicking on the OK button. Basically, this is going to be the credentials for your CQG account. Click on the Apply All button, and from there, CQG will connect to your Share a Chart. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.